F1 celebrates its 1000th race at the Chinese Grand Prix. We also have a new championship leader. Stay tuned. Welcome to Veloce Motoren. We make videos about cars, planes, Formula 1 and Formula E. So hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Hamilton wins this race and leads the championship with Bottas in third, making this the third 1-2 finish in a row for Mercedes. Can Mercedes keep their record of a 100% 1-2 for the season? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. While you're in the comments, press F to pay respects to Hulkenberg, Kvyat and Norris. They DNF'd, unfortunately. Lando Norris actually posted a meme about his DNF, which was pretty funny. Take a look at it. Okay, prediction time. Let's go. Based on the previous results, we're in for a boring season, folks. Mercedes are dominating once again. Like, come on. Ferrari, you almost won in Bahrain. And imagine if Gasly could step up his game as well. Actually, you know what? Let's just replace Red Bull with this red cat I found. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe.